Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to search things up on GoWish. Now, if you want to search things up on GoWish but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing what you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the GoWish app on a device. So if you have not installed the GoWish app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, you just need to open the GoWish app, and this is the home page of GoWish, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar like wish list, activity, inspiration, friends, and all of it. So to search things on the GoWish, you just need to click on the option of cloud like icon at the very center, and here you just need to insert the web shop link, or also you may create it manually. So click on it, and from here you just need to add a wish. So you just need to select a wish list like this and name of it, and you just need to select the price list like this, and you just need to upload the product and click on the option for add list. Or also if you want to search things, you will see the option of trending like this. So you just need to open any of it, and here you'll see the various wishes like this. So here you'll be able to see all the products which are included in it. So you just need to select it like this, and you just need to see and scroll until you find the wish which you want. So that's it. That's how you can search the things up on GoWish. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.